Hello, everyone, and welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. In this video, we are going to look at how to build and customize a stacked bar chart in Power BI using our Sample Superstore dataset. A stacked bar chart is an incredibly powerful visual because it doesn't just show you a single grand total, it breaks that total down into color-coded subsegments. This lets your audience compare overall performance across your categories while seeing the internal mix of your data all at the exact same time. To get started, let's look at the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. There's a common layout trap here for beginners. In the top row, the first icon is the stacked bar chart, which displays horizontal bars. The second icon is the stacked column chart, which displays vertical bars. Today, we want horizontal bars so that our category names have plenty of reading room on the left side. Go ahead and click that very first icon, the stacked bar chart, to drop a blank visual placeholder onto your canvas. To bring this blank chart to life, we need to populate its three core building blocks located underneath our visual icons: the y-axis, the x-axis, and the legend. First, let's establish our horizontal rows. From our orders data, grab the category column and drag and drop it directly into the y-axis bucket. Second, let's add our metrics. Grab the sales column and drag it straight into the x-axis bucket. Instantly, you'll see standard blue horizontal bars showing your total sales for technology, furniture, and office supplies. Third, here is the magic step that makes it a stacked chart. Let's break these totals down by geographical location. Grab the region column and drag it into the legend bucket. Look at your canvas now. Each product bar is instantly split into beautiful color-coded stacks for the central, east, south, and west regions. The best part about building this in Power BI is that it's completely interactive. If your manager wants to focus purely on the West region's technology sales, they can click directly on that specific stack to cross-filter the rest of the report. By default, Power BI sorts our chart by the highest sales. However, you can easily customize this to sort by category name or even change how your legends are ordered. If you want to sort it alphabetically by category, simply click the three dots in the top corner of your chart, go to Sort By, and select Category. You can use this exact same method to change the order of your legend. Simply follow the steps above, go to Sort Legend from the list. Now that our chart is built, let's format it so it looks clean and professional. With your chart selected, click on the Format Visual Paintbrush icon right here in the Visualizations pane. To make our exact sales numbers readable at a single glance, find the Data Labels option and toggle it to On. This places the regional sales amount right inside each individual colored segment. However, it's still hard to tell what the entire product category adds up to. To fix this, look directly below and toggle the Total Labels option to On. Now, Power BI neatly displays the grand total sales amount right at the end of every bar. If you want to match your company's branding, you aren't stuck with these default colors. In the Formatting pane under Bars, you can click on any region and change its color to whatever you prefer. Before we wrap up, here is a golden design rule to keep in mind. Stacked bar charts work best when your legend has only a few categories, just like our 4 Superstore regions. If you try to stack 20 different states into a single bar, the visual becomes messy and impossible to read. Keep your stack simple, let your data breathe, and your dashboards will always stand out. And that's it! That is the simplest way to create and use a stacked bar chart in Power BI with your Superstore data. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick, step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.